we're not going to talk about something, you can always bring up food.
Food, yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, every Sunday in the morning, I say, let's go halwa puri. She loves halwa puri. Then she said, no, not today.
I said I love Pakistani food, but I don't have a Pakistani metabolism.
Yeah, so have you cooked? Have you tried cooking something maybe?
Oh yes,
Pakistani food?
You know what? We have such fabulous help in my house. So you know, I don't want to go up against their cooking sometimes. When I go to Australia, we're there. I do try make some keema and biryani, some chicken tikkas. I can do all that.
Yeah, but I think
never as good as the real thing, but I do try. But here I like to you know.
Pasta, meatballs, you know, इस तरह की चीजें, something different food.
Just because the children
जैसे शनेरा ने कहा भी उनका metabolism आपको ख्याल रखना होगा because high calorie Pakistani food, just like Dennis Lee जब पाकिस्तान आए.
At 7 o'clock running, buddy. That's the reason I'm up at 6:30.
Yeah, but I have to be careful with her because Dennis Lee जब पाकिस्तान आए तो he couldn't handle lassi and ended up in hospital.
Yeah,
so
yeah. No, she tried false ka juice the other day. She loved it. You call them berries, yeah? Depend करता है कैसा खाना खाना है. अपना देसी खाने के तो हम proper जगह पे जाते हैं.
So Shanaira, you've become a Karachiite. Desi, completely, you're everywhere. Like you're at an art exhibition or a lawn exhibition. You're making a way around, and that's very good. So how did you do that? How do you spend your day? Like when you're not busy with the baby, have you made friends and this social?
You're always busy with the baby.
Well, before the baby, you know, like I said, you've got to create a life. If I sat here dormant, being scared of everything and not throwing myself into things, then it would, you know, it wouldn't. I don't know what would have happened, but I didn't. I went out there and I made friends, and I made friends with the children's mothers at the school, and then they made, you know, and then we introduced more friends.
And then I forgot to mention, sorry baby, I forgot to mention school. The school they go to, they have been great help as well. I mean, the teachers, the principal, you know,
parents,
even the parents, all the parents, they also took Shanaira under our, you know, wings, and they helped me as well early on, being a single dad. So I think everybody contributed. So that
1 minute I could be at Fareed's and shopping, and I mean, you know, just a normal day, where next minute we're at some event or on a catwalk, or, you know, so it changes all the time, every day, and it's
not boring.
No, it's not. Never boring.
So she goes for the grocery shopping.
Yeah, of course she does.
Some of them have seen
I'll also
at
5 different supermarkets.
By the way, I do like my grocery shopping, so whenever I am around, I go with her.
अब 2 साल होने वाले आपकी शादी को probably August
almost 2
में.
years in
But
August.
कैसे language की चीज शनेरा बहुत effort कर रही है, पहले ही नजर आ रहा है. She's getting along with everything very well.
Yeah, she is understand. So जब शनीरा can understand Urdu now, most of it. तो जब मुझे कुछ करनी होती है तो मैं पंजाबी में बात करता हूँ फिर. And she says, what the hell are you doing now?
Okay.
मुझे उर्दू समझती है. मुझे थोड़ी उर्दू
बोलनी है.
I can say that again.
Yeah.
So I can understand, but speaking it's all around the.
You know, if you have to translate English or Urdu into English, के पानी का ग्लास चाहिए, water, glass, give. So वो जरा मुश्किल होता है.
कोई एक बहुत मुश्किल बात जो उर्दू में हो और आपको ट्रांसलेट करके शनेरा को बतानी पड़ी हो कभी.
मुश्किल तो नहीं, but जब शनीरा ऊपर मतलब मुसलमान हुई तो when you converted to Islam, so मैंने कहा तुम्हारा नाम मैं रखना रुखशंदा. She said, what? I can't pronounce that name.
That's a good name.
It's a great name, but it was a heavy name. मतलब वो है थोड़ा proper उर्दू वाला है ना, तो मैंने इसलिए छेड़ा था इसको. But she said, no, I can't pronounce it myself. What will people do to me in Australia?
when I first started learning Urdu, he was away, and I got a teacher, so I was learning and understanding. And when he got back, he started speaking Urdu. I was like, I understood everything you said, and he's like, oh God, it started.
But would you like to have a Pakistani name if he's going to decide one for you?
Shanaira is perfect.
It's
actually a very
Islamic name.
Islamic name, very good name. पर यहाँ पे ये भी नहीं आता कहीं को. कोई सकीना कहता है, कोई समीरा कहता है, कोई समायरा कहता है.
But it's okay.
Shanila. It's Shanaira.
Shanaira.
S-H-A-N-I.
Bobby or Bobby.
What does it mean, Shanaira?
Shanaira, I actually don't know. So anyone who wants to tell me what it means, please let me know.
I think your parents must know about it.
They just, you know, same thing. It was all meant to be. I think I asked them and said, what does my name mean and why? Because it's not a typical, you know, it's not Claire or Jane or, you know, I said, where did you get this from? And they said, you know, I don't know.
I don't
Just
know.
came.
I think I want to write a book on this and sell this because it's an interesting story. From 90 to work up to the name. Everything
We're
is
not giving you everything. We're just, you know.
Believe me, we got everything we wanted.
और हम ये चाहेंगे वसीम आप बहुत कोई खूबसूरत बात उर्दू में कहें और फिर शनेरा को बताएं कि आप उनसे क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो इनसे मोहब्बत से मुताल्लिक भी हो
They
सकती
want me to say something nice to you in Urdu, and then you reply to me in Pashto. No, English.
We'll be here
है in
for a
Urdu
while.
or maybe in English but if he translates it for you
मैं शनीरा को से ये कहने लगा था कि शनीरा के आने से मेरी जिंदगी में काफी फर्क पड़ा है, सो आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. You know what I mean? Thank you.
That's great. क्या फर्क पड़ा है क्या चेंज
Positive. I mean, obviously, हुमा को काफी हम जब ट्रेजेडी इतनी बड़ी हुई को बंदा सोच भी नहीं सकता, बच्चे भी छोटे थे और उसके बाद आई वाज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. पर्सन एज अ पर्सन की बात कर रहा हूँ. आई वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग. मैं स्ट्रांग बंदा हूँ मेंटली भी फिजिकली भी, बट डजंट मैटर कितने स्ट्रांग है, ट्रेजेडी मुश्किल होती है.
हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि शनेरा पाकिस्तानी खाने तो पसंद कर रही हैं लेकिन क्या उन्होंने अभी तक कुछ बनाने की कोशिश भी की है और ये कि ये स्टार कपल तो थे ही लेकिन अब ये सेलिब्रिटी कपल और फैशन कपल बन चुके हैं. जब ये रैंप पर जाते हैं फैशन शो के तब क्या होता है ये हम इनसे पूछेंगे. एक ब्रेक के बाद हमारे साथ रहिए.
वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक. हम लोग हैं इन कॉन्वर्जेशन विद स्विंग की सुल्तान वसीम अकरम एंड मिसेस स्विंग की सुल्तान जो हमारे साथ है. हमारी कॉन्वर्जेशन में थोड़ी सी स्विंग अब ऐड करते हैं. वसीम, वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट आयला. आपका हमारे पास आयला की पिक्चर्स भी आ गई हैं तो पहले
Yeah, I've got a couple of pictures. ये थोड़ी अभी तो Ayla is a big girl now, but this is about when she was 3 months old.
No, this is when she was born.
Yeah, so latest pictures नहीं है. This is
देख
Ayla
सकते हैं जी.
Akram, and she's a very very pretty girl and she's a very happy girl. And this is I think the first time when I picked her up. That was it. That was in Melbourne Hospital.
The first time he fell in love.
Yeah, minute
वो
I
जो
saw
मोमेंट
her.
होता है वसीम, जो फीलिंग होती है, जो भी जिनते भी हम फादर से इंटरव्यू लेते हैं बात करते हैं, वो कहते हैं वो एक मोमेंट था जो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता जब मेरी बेटी ने मुझे देखा था पहली दफा. वी मेड आई कांटेक्ट. आपके लिए एक स्पेशल मोमेंट वो क्या था
वो
विद
स्पेशल मोमेंट आई थिंक जब थोड़ी 10-15 दिनों बाद आफ्टर 10-15 days when these guys came home from the hospital, I think उसने 10-12 दिनों बाद ही स्माइल मुझे देख के she used to smile, little smile, but now she gives a big smile.
But it's not easy to raise a baby. How